آله وصحبه ومن والاه. Indeed, I am very happy and very pleased that I attended this glorious and this great festival which has been called for by دیوبند Islamic University. This university, which is well known to us in Arabia and well known to other Muslims all over the world as the main Islamic educational center in India. I would like to say that this great gathering of human beings reminded me of the gathering of Moqع in Hajj, in pilgrimage, where you see hundreds and hundreds of people attending such a great conference every year in Moqع and in Medina. So this gathering gives us the impression that the Indian Muslims, they give their full respect and their full attitude to this Islamic University of دیوبند. Indeed, we pray for the prosperity and long success of this Islamic University دیوبند. And in the meantime, we are, in the name of myself and in the name of my colleagues from Arabia and the other countries, we are thankful to the government of India because the presence of Mrs. Indira Gandhi gave us the impression that she is giving the government respect and care for the Indian Muslims here.
Appreciating this significant occasion, Prime Minister Indira Gandhi welcomes everyone from India and abroad. She is happy that so many religious scholars and representatives of different countries are participating in the celebrations. She congratulates the organizers for the excellent arrangements made for such a huge gathering in such a small town. The very presence of so many eminent foreign personages is proof of the important place that Darul-Ulum enjoys in the world of Islamic scholarship. This is a matter of pride for all the people of India. The scholars of Darul-Ulum fought equally with other nationalists in the struggle for freedom under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi. The scholars of this great institution infused a new spirit in our national life. And even more, they have made their mark in the entire Islamic world. Quoting the poet Muhammad Iqbal, who said that religion does not teach intolerance, she is proud of the fact that all religions are treated equally in India. She says most earnestly and with great emphasis that the minorities of India will continue to receive protection to life, property and employment. Mrs. Gandhi pays homage to all the great personalities who have contributed to the richness of the many-faceted culture of India. While congratulating this great institution on its centenary, she prays to God